Welcome back, Splunk enthusiasts. This video is brought to you by Lame Creations, log analysis made easy, where we help you master the tools and techniques to become a Splunk pro. In today's session, we're diving into the world of SPL, or Splunk Processing Language, to help you sharpen your skills and become a more powerful data investigator in Splunk. We'll be working with the BOTS version 3 dataset, Boss of the SOC, a realistic, hands-on dataset full of cybersecurity challenges that's perfect for exploring real-world scenarios and honing your search skills. This video's focus: the table command. Unlock the power of Splunk's table command in this hands-on tutorial. We'll deep dive into the BOTS v3 dataset, showing you how to transform raw log data into clean, readable tables, perfect for analysis and dashboards. Along the way, you'll learn the basics of the table command, how to filter and organize data, real-world use cases with the BOTS v3 dataset, tips and tricks for creating impactful reports. In this Let's Learn SPL video, we're diving into the table command. Unlike many other SPL commands that are designed to help you detect suspicious activity or bad in your network, the table command isn't a detection tool. Instead, it's a presentation tool. Its job is to make your search results cleaner, more organized, and easier to read. Think of it as the command that makes all your other SPL searches better. By selecting and organizing specific fields into a neat table format, you can quickly identify patterns, understand your data, and share results with others in a way that's simple and effective. Use the table command to enhance your analysis and get the most out of your SPL. For our very first command, we're going to show how it can make your results more readable. What we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to do index equals bots v3. And I'm just going to hit all time and I'm going to run that. And we can see that there's just a bunch of information. Sometimes you have to expand it, sometimes you have to collapse, then you got stacks of data. This is really pleasant to read. Look at that, all that stored there, written over and over and over again. It's not really very clean. We're going to do the same thing here. Instead, we're going to go and say, I want just a few things like index, source type, and time. I'm going to run that command, and I immediately get a nice, clean set of results that come back. So when we know the fields that we're looking for, if we put them in the table, we're going to get a much better table-like view, which is easier to read and determine. It's got its value, but non-table data is a lot more difficult to sift through. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to show that it can combine with calculations to make your stuff a lot easier to find. If I just do index equals bots v3, source type equals stream TCP, and then I want only the ones with bytes in, where I have bytes in. And then I do an eval statement. Eval total bytes equals bytes in plus bytes out. And I run that. Make sure we run this all time. We're going to notice we still have that non-tabled. And if we look through this, can I find total bytes? Well, it doesn't show up here. I've got to expand it. Then I move down. And then I can find my total bytes. Or I can jump over here to the most common features and grab it here, but then it doesn't per se relate to the actual field. Whereas if I just now take this command and I go table, source IP, best IP, total bytes, I immediately get back the response in a much, much easier way to read. It also has the ability to enhance the visibility of other SPL functions. So for example, I've got IP location. It's a really cool command, but in of itself, it hides a lot of the stuff. So if I do source type equals stream IP and I do IP location source IP, it's going to run geolocation on all the source IPs. If I flip this to all time and I run that, again, all those fields are hidden. I actually don't even see the stuff here. But if I come down here and I go table, source IP, country, city, I all of a sudden can see my IP addresses with their country and their city. And so again, it's enhancing the visibility and the ability to look through my data. It also provides data sanitization. It will remove unnecessary fields to reduce noise and improve processing time. What we're going to do is we're going to compare these two queries. This is index equals bots v3, source type equals stream TCP. I said give it all time. I am running in fast mode. I go here, index equals bots v3, source type equals stream TCP. Table is index, source type, and time. I'm just going to call those three fields. And when I inspect the job, this query took 5.7 seconds. They're the exact, notice 84,031 events, so it's the exact same amount of events. If I go and inspect this, this one took 10.3, almost double the time. And why is that? Well, because this one had to bring back the raw log. So we can see here are the raw files that came with it. So we still have all that raw context. That all came from our indexer. That's going to slow down things. Whereas over here, it told the indexer, I don't need all that data. I just need the index, the source type, and the time. Don't send me anything else. So you're going to get better performance. And as that data continues to increase in size and you're looking through more stuff, you're going to see even quicker and better performance by calling out the table. Thanks for tuning in to Lame Creations, log analysis made easy. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest tips, tools, and tutorials to boost your log analysis skills. Want to take it a step further? Become a member to support the channel and gain exclusive early access to videos and exclusive focused training. Join us on Discord where we dive even deeper, share insights, and tackle questions together. Until next time, from Lame Creations, where we help you go from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja.